Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Adobe Express to create social media kits easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Express on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are in the dashboard, select the project you want to work on. Click on the download button located in the upper right corner. Choose the file format you prefer, such as PNG or JPG. Adjust the size if needed using the provided options. Once you've set your preferences, click the download button again to start the download. After the download completes, locate the saved file on your device. Next, open your choice of social media platform where you want to create your kit. Begin a new post or project on that platform. Upload the images you just downloaded from Adobe Express. Organize your images in a manner that fits your branding. Add any captions or text to complement your visuals. Review your post to ensure everything aligns with your vision. Finally, share your social media kit with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn from Adobe Express to create a social media kit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.